So this thing comes with 4 keys, 1 lock. I'll show you some of the features of it. So when you unlock it, if I can get this with my hand. Alright. The casters do lock, although I don't have them locked right now. Alright, so it opens up. These drawers all lock automatically when you close them. There's a little thing on the outside edge of each one. Got storage things here for screwdrivers or nut drivers or whatever. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. 2 small ones. One pretty deep one. And this one's fairly deep as well. They're all lined with this stuff, whatever you call it. Anyway, there you have it.